Hello everyone, we are going to learn how we can implement the wireless network in CISCO Packet Tracer. So if you see here, I will take one switch and then I can take some computer here. This is a network we can say, and then I will take one server, and then what I can do here, I will go here, click this is a wireless device. In this one we can see we have the access point. Okay, I can take this access point and I can connect this access point to the switch from here, and this server also I am going to connect to the switch, and this device we are connecting to the switch here, and then we can connect this PC. This is a small network we can say, and if you need router we can take router also. So this is a DHCP server we can say. This is a DHCP server. This server is going to give the IP address. So I will write here DHCP server, and here I will give the IP for this server is like 192.168.1.2. I am giving this IP to this server. So let me go. I will configure the DHCP here. First go to the server, assign the IP address here and give the gateway. Gateway we will use the 1.1, and DNS we will use the same IP of the DHCP server. Okay, so we can configure DNS also in this server. Go to the services, click here DHCP, and on this one, this is a default DHCP server configuration. Here you put the gateway, whatever the gateway we are planning to use, and you want to start the IP from 192.168.1.1, and you want to give to 50 devices example, and you have don't have the TFTP and WLC controller. If you have DNS I am using this same server, DHCP server, so I can give the IP of the DHCP server, and then click save. So this will be DHCP configuration be done here. So this is a DHCP configuration is ready here. Now we can take the access point. If you want the access point, go here and go access point already we have. So now we need the wireless device. So I can take this smartphone. I can take this smartphone here, and see here automatically this smartphone is connecting because the access point is having the no password here, and default SSID is there. And if I keep my mouse here, you can see this is the what I can say, this one is the device, that is wireless device. We get the IP. You can see we get the IP 192.168.1.14 to this mobile phone. And if you see here for this smartphone, we get 192.168.1.15, and here you get 192.168.1.11. So this way we can build the wireless device. Why this smartphone is connecting means, if you go here inside the access point and go to configuration, and you see here this is the name of the access point, and if you go in the port 1, this is a default setting, and port 0 default setting, and port 1 here you have the option. This is the default SSID. SSID is nothing but the Wi-Fi name. This is a default, and we don't have any password. Password is disabled here, and this default is present. And if you go to any smart device and go to the configuration and go to wireless 0, you can see here also you have the default. So both are same SSID, and here also we don't have the what we can say, we did not put any password here in the device. We are saying disable, that's why it is connected. So all the mobile phone is connected here, and here if you need the IP, go here and click the desktop and click here, you will get the IP from the DHCP server. And same thing you can go here and do here, you will get the IP from the DHCP server. And here also in this laptop you can power off this laptop, and you can remove this one, and you can insert this Wi-Fi in the laptop and then power on the laptop. So this laptop can also connect with the wireless signal. See, it is connected with the wireless signal. And here also if you go in the desktop and you have DHCP here, you are getting this one 192.168.1.19. you get the IP from the DHCP server. And if this mobile want to talk with this laptop, they can talk. They can go here and they can write ping 192.168.1.19 and they can communicate. So it is working, ping is working. So what we can say, they are communicating with each other. So this way we can say we can configure the DHCP server and we can use the access point. This is a standalone access point, autonomous access point we are calling, so no need for controller. Directly we can connect and this access point can handle the device. If you are having 1, 2, we can do this one. If you have each floor 30 access point if you are using, then better go for lightweight access point which is controlled by controller. So here what we learn here how to implement the wireless network in CISCO Packet Tracer. I hope you enjoy this video.